Welcome back to the channel, AdobeMast right here. So in today's video we're going to review the Uzima Borehole drilling system. As you know, these are projects for 2024 computer students, and so the project will be taking a period of 7 months. You're supposed to create the documentation, that is milestone 1 and database milestone 2, in a given 7-month period. And so with me here I have the database. So the database project is fully made. You can get yourself a copyright on the contact details I'll be leaving on the description below or on our website. So the website is www.legacystudios.com/projects. You can go get yourself a copyright there. So here's the question. So the question, I hope every one of you have taken time and read the question. These are the questions that needs to be fulfilled by the database project. And so let's get into the database. So the form right here is a switchboard, and it contains the form project name. It contains also the date, the time, reports, and the forms. The forms are normally called input screens. And so I'm going to review the forms. I have about 7 forms. I'm going to review each form step by step. So I'll start with the clients table, since we are supposed to register a client in the database so that you can continue. Okay, so what you're seeing right here is a registering form called a client form. People who are seeing right here are the people who are existing in the clients. You can simply just click this button and see registered clients. Okay, so I'm going to add a new client. In this case I'm going to click add record. I'm going to input the client name, client ID, address, and the phone number. So let me I'm going to save the record. Okay, it's successfully saved.
So the next table I'm going to review is the survey payments table. So this table is for paying the survey and local authority fees, because it is stated in the question that every client who registers on our database is supposed to pay. And so we're going to locate our client. Let's say that a client that hasn't paid. Okay, somebody like John Frank, who hasn't paid any survey and local authority fees. So we're going to take domestic. You can also select any of these or select all of them at a given time. And so we're going to place the order. Placing order means you can also save the record. Yeah, that is saving the record. And so on the same form, you can also track if the selected person has paid or has ordered an installation to be done. So the client we are seeing here hasn't instructed any pump installation to take place. So the borehole drilling, you can see the borehole drilling has nothing. No orders has been made by the client, the current client. It has just go and make a client an order for drilling the borehole. We're going to take the symmetric drilling type. So in this case we're going to add our details below this form. These are the people who are registered for the service. The next service is geo-technical. These are different people registered. The third drilling type is the core drilling. So let's just add here. Let me just add some dummy records. Let me just leave the other part empty. I'm going to save it, and the order has been placed successfully. You can see that this person has just ordered a drilling service to be done, but the details are not fully. No problem. So that was the drilling part. This was the payment for survey. So we're going to go to our next form. So this pump installation, we've reviewed it, the drilling service. These we've reviewed it. Add a pump. So these are pumps that are existing on the project. The three types of pump that was stated on the question. The first one is submersible, the second one is solar, the third one is hand pump. The cost appears here respectively as stated on the question. Okay, close that form. So those were the forms that the Uzima Borehole really existing. I came to find out that those were the forms, and so I'm going to the next part, that is the reports. So the first report I'm going to show you is the payment after tax. So this is the payment. You can see there are duplicate values for a certain person. That is because at a certain point he ordered multiple items of the same product and paid others didn't paid. So the next is registered clients. We've already seen that. Totals by each client. Yeah, this is the form, the report. So the survey and local authority fees, that is the one that was a must for every client to pay. So these are the clients registered in the system, and these are the amounts. The totals are here. Total company revenue. The more we continue adding data on the system, you can see the total revenue increases. The total plumbing amount, that is it. And so that was the review of the project. If you like it, please reach out in the given contact details in the description. Also, you can get our project on the website.